Hi guys! Join me today as I make a ribbon bow with a Valentine theme. So I'll be using 4 different designs of wired ribbon. By the way, these ribbons are all available on our website. If you're interested, just send us a message. I will start by cutting 2 pieces of each of this ribbon with same size, about 20 inches. And now, we will cut each end of this ribbon to create a dovetail end. And now, let's begin arranging our ribbon. First is to fold them in half and pleat using your hands. Then proceed to ribbon design number 2. Pleat and position. And to secure our ribbon bow, we'll be using a jute string. Lastly, reposition each loop to make sure that it is in place. And it's done! I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts. See you next time! Bye!